Good morning from another beautiful day in El Nido.
We are walking to breakfast right now, but today we are going to go on a super fun kayak adventure, so we're excited to show you.
Alright, we got our smoothie bowls. I got I think mine has banana, mango, and pineapple in it. And Maddie, what does yours have?
I don't know.
Maddie got a red one. I'm not sure what's in it, but it's a little bit more expensive than what we would like to spend on breakfast, but Maddie wanted it, so we're getting it. Mine's really good. And we are finished. We are going to head back to our place and we're going to start getting ready to head out for the day. So we just got back from breakfast. It was really good, but it was missing one big thing.
We were back at home for 2 weeks in Michigan, and I took this little productivity shop called Magic Mind. I was a little skeptical about it at first, just because there's so many of these like productivity shots and like green drinks on the market, but I really did love it. It really did improve my alertness and improve my productivity throughout the day, and I'm so sad that I can't bring it with us.
Yep. One big thing for me too, Maddie had me try it, and a lot of the wellness shots that I've tried in the past, they haven't tasted that great, but Magic Mind was pretty good actually, so that's a big plus for it.
If you've seen any of our other videos and saw that we were drinking Magic Mind and you would like to try it for yourself, you can go to magicmind.co/Kyle and Maddie and use the promo code KyleMaddie20 at checkout for 43% off your first order today. The real reason we are in our room is to make our peanut butter and banana sandwiches.
Yes. Since we're on a budget, we have to pack our lunch out, and we're not exactly sure if we're going to be able to find any food on some of the beaches that we're going to be kayaking to, so.
We are going to pack our lunch and get our stuff and head out.
Yep. What you doing over here?
Welcome to Kyle and Maddie's kitchen, where we are spreading peanut butter on bread with a spoon.
We only eat the highest of quality foods, so this will be a good lunch. Alright, I think we're all packed up. Maddie got the lunches made. I packed all the electronics away, so our next step is heading out and finding a kayak to rent, because we have not rented one yet. Alright, so we just walked down to the beach and we were walking by and a lady yelled out, "Kayak!" And I said, "Oh yeah, actually we want one." She said that it would be 600 peso. So I asked if we would go 450 and she said 500, final deal. So we got 500 for a kayak and she's cleaning it right now.
Oh. Yeah. Ready? Get on. Okay. Alright, we're both in now. Our stuff got a little bit wet. That's okay.
Alright, so we are now paddling out towards our first beach, and it was a little rough start. A lot of water coming into the kayak at the beginning, but we got past the waves and now we're doing good. But we're kayaking today because it's, first of all, it was only 500 peso to rent this, so it's not too expensive. And then normally people go for like guided boat tours here, and we're doing that in Coron, so we figured we could skip it here and just kayak around some of the islands. So it should be a good day.
So we've been paddling for a while now. The place that we started from is like almost out of sight, and we're really tired. This is Cadlau Island right in front of us, and there are like 3 or 4 beaches that are right on this side of it that we are going to hit up. We were going to be really ambitious and hit up a lagoon on the other side, but it's a little bit windy today, so the sea's slightly rough and the wind really like pushes us in the direction it wants us to go in. So we're just gonna hit up to these little beaches right here. But it is so beautiful out here. Like, you almost can't get a more dramatic landscape right here on the ocean. It's so beautiful.
All right, we just pulled up to our first little beach. On the other side, it looks like some locals are cooking lunch, and they might live on this little beach, but so we came over to the opposite side of them, and we're just gonna sit and relax for a minute. Let our arms relax after that long paddle.
That was tough. That was hard.
But the water is really blue right in front of this beach. All right, we're heading to the next beach where we will probably eat lunch. Always a process getting off of the beach when the waves are coming in. All right, here we go.
Alright, we made it to a beach. We were originally going to go to like 3 or 4 beaches, but we went by one and it looked like it was private. It had like a bunch of chairs and stuff on it. And then we went by another one and there were people completely naked on it.
So we decided to bypass that one and we just came to the last one.
Yeah, so we're now at the last beach. It is so beautiful here. This beach is gigantic.
There's trees hanging over the water. There's really blue water. It's really nice.
It's super pretty, and it's really nice that there's shade so that we can sit here and eat and hang out for a little while.
Yep.
So that's what we're gonna do.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane, and as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
Got our sandwiches in our little containers. We knew we packed them for some reason. Cheers. The bananas are from a little like stand that I found on the side of the road, and I don't think a lot of tourists go up to them because the lady that was selling bananas was pretty surprised. Well, I tipped her 20 peso and she was like super surprised about that. Good bananas. We've just been laying here for a little while after we ate, but we're getting pretty hot. I think we're gonna go swimming. You ready?
Let's do it.
Hand in hand, building castles out of sand, reaching for the ground.
The water here, it just feels so nice.
It does. It's so blue. It is like the most like emerald green, turquoise blue ever. It's crazy.
It's not a pretty good day, but we are dreading the paddle back.
It's so windy and the waves are actually like starting to like white cap at this point. Oh.
Should be fun. It'll be a good workout.
Tiptoes, undercover, agents of the other.
Swimming in the ocean is seriously one of our favorite things. Coming from people who did not grow up at the ocean. I love it.
As we go, I wouldn't want it any other way.
Well, that was our day kayaking around El Nido. We completely recommend doing this. It was so much fun. The paddle's a little bit difficult,
Yep.
we gotta say, but totally worth it. The beaches are way more beautiful right here than they are right off of El Nido town. So
Just make sure to pack your own lunch because you're gonna get hungry.
yeah,
But
for sure.
we will see you next time.
We are in Caron. See ya.
Dream